Assalamu alaikum everyone. I have opened the landing page for the ViQ application as a demo. After opening the landing page, I will select my department and click on the search button. After clicking on a search button, I will click on the application to be logged in. Actually, click on the search button, the system is showing all the applications which are configured under this department. Okay, I'm going to open a reception application. I will click on the reception calling. After clicking on reception calling, system is asking enter the username password. I will enter the username password for the receptionist and press on the login button. System is asking please confirm your department and select the floor. Why system is asking to confirm the department and select the floor? I am the receptionist. I'm working on multiple floors with the different departments. So that's why, based on my duty quota. Okay, I will click on the counter 1 to be logged in on a counter 1. When I click on the counter 1, the reception application interface will be shown. The reception application is defined to show all the required information to a receptionist, which contains the statistic information, the legends, the color scheme which is used in the application, and shows the different list of the patients. Today's list, no response list, completed list, and the appointment booking list. Okay, let me log in, check in one patient from the mobile application. I open the mobile application. This application in the multi languages actually, English and Arabic, but languages can be add more. We can add English, Arabic, Chinese, either Urdu, either Hindi. What is the requirement? Okay, I will choose the English. Application is asking me please enter your mobile number. I will enter my mobile number. After entering my mobile number, system will shows me the list of the patients which are registered under this mobile. Okay, I'm going to select Sarah by clicking on the select button. System is showing me my appointment information if I have an appointment. Okay, so what is in the appointment information? The file number, appointment time, doctor, and the appointment status. I will click on the print. After clicking on print, system will issue me a ticket, which is for example, the C1. The C is a prefix of a ticket, which is varied doctor to doctor, either can be varied department to department, and can be changeable anytime. Okay, I have printed a ticket. So my next step will be on the reception. I'm going to the reception application. The data is showing immediately on the reception application. Okay, the communication between application to application, if application is deployed in the local network, which is the maximum is 5 seconds. Okay, so we are making sure record should be immediately updated to each station, like the reception, vital, doctor, treatment room, either any other procedure room. I have get a ticket, so system is showing me the one record under today's list. Let's have another ticket. Okay, so I'm going to have another ticket. I'm going to enter a mobile number. This patient is not have an appointment. Okay, I will click on that one. The system is showing no appointment exists for this visitor. Do you want to issue an inquiry ticket? To issue an inquiry ticket means that patient is going to be walking, maybe patient is going to reception to get some information, maybe patient is going to have appointment from the receptions. Okay, either patient want to visit a doctor as a walk-in patient. I will click on the print inquiry ticket. System will issue a ticket which is starting from the Q1. Q is a prefix, as I told you. This prefix can be changed based on the patient type, based on the doctor, based on the department. So these all facilities are available in the admin panel to set a prefix. Okay, this patient also should be appeared in the reception application. If I'm going to the reception application is showing me the two patients. One is the book patient, other one is a walk-in patient. Okay, based on my appointment time is 12:30 to 12:55. That's why this record is showing on the top. But let's consider an example. The walk-in patient, she has some abdominal pain and she wants to visit to a doctor urgently. So receptionist has a right to set this patient as an emergency case, let's say the priority. What the receptionist has to do, he can click on the set priority button. After setting a priority as emergency case, this patient move on the top of the list because this is emergency patient. And the appointment patient is the second one. Okay. A receptionist can call a patient either by choosing any patient from the list, either by clicking on the call next button. Call next button will call the patient who is showing in the gray box which I have selected. Okay. So what is the gray box? Gray box is an intelligent box which is actually working based on the statuses of the patient, either the appointment type or walk-in patient. So whatever the next patient to be treated, it will show this is your next available patient. You can call that one. Either the receptionist can choose any patient from the today's patient list. I'm going to call a patient. What will be the impact? Impact will be the voice call will be shown in waiting area, and also the one alert notification will be on the mobile application if I already open a mobile application on a mobile. Let me press call next. After pressing call next,
التذكرة
waiting area will start actually. Will flashing a ticket and also calling a patient. Let me recall. Okay. To make the voice call is clear.
التذكرة رقم قاف 1 شباك رقم 1.
Okay, also the mobile application is showing the notifications. Okay, the ticket number, the Q1, please proceed to a reception. Okay, let me go to the reception application again, and I finish the work with the HIS system, whatever the process, do a patient check-in, maybe collect a money based on the patient type. Okay, so what the receptionist can do, receptionist will click on a finish button and can forward the patient to a doctor, either treatment room, either the lab, either the radiology if required. So I'm going to send this patient to a doctor. When I'm clicking on send to a doctor room, so system is asking write the remarks if required. Okay, otherwise select a doctor, which is a Dr. Jian. I'm going to select that one. Okay, one thing I want to mention actually, if the patient has the booking and system is integrated, okay, patient will be get auto checked in from the kiosk machine, either from the mobile application. If patient is not auto checked in, okay, maybe some issues with the integrations. So on the reception application, the receptionist just need to click on finish button and select a doctor room. The system will select a doctor automatically, which is assigned to a actually appointment. Okay, I'm going to forward this patient by clicking on send. Okay, this patient is finished from the reception, and you can find the record in the completed list where you have all the information, the reception finish, sent to doctor, and who's the doctor, what is the check-in time, what is the finish time, who was the reception, and what was the counter number. This all information available in the application, right? So if you have any question regarding the reception application, you can directly contact to the Vlistra sales team. Either you can directly do communication with our WhatsApp numbers. So we can give you the answer immediately. Thank you. I will go to the other applications in the next videos.